Today's video is our special edition for Halloween, baking with our two little helpers. And we are going to make an eggless pumpkin cake. So if you are a vegetarian, this is for you. This is a super simple recipe and you will have a moist and fluffy cake without adding eggs. Welcome back to Aadhiya's world, where we explore the new world of parenthood through our two ladybugs. Girls are very excited, so let's get started without any further delay. So first, let's combine all the dry ingredients, which is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix thoroughly and keep it aside. And now the wet ingredients. 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of extra light olive oil, 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I'm using a stand mixer, but if you have a hand mixer, that's fine. You can use either one. So I am beating the mixture from low speed to medium speed and then to medium-high speed for around 5 minutes. Now add the dry mixture and mix well. After this, add 1/4 cup of milk and mix it well until everything is well combined. Now it's baking time. So grease the pan with some butter and pour in the cake batter. Everything is done, so now it's time to go into the oven for 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Oh, look at that cake. I'm just making sure the cake is fully baked. You can simply use a toothpick to check that. Awesome, it's perfectly baked. So now I'm going to take it out and set it to cool. And in the meantime, let's do a very simple and easy frosting using cream cheese. We need 1 stick or about 113 grams of unsalted butter, 250 grams of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Make sure the unsalted butter and the cream cheese is at room temperature. So start whipping by first keeping it in low speed until everything is combined well. And then start beating it in medium-high speed for around 4 to 5 minutes until you see it whipped and fluffy. So the frosting is ready. So make sure the cake is at room temperature when you spread the frosting.
How is it?
And here we are, ready to decorate the cake. So we are going to spread all the frosting on the cake. And in terms of decoration, as you see here, we are using button-shaped chocolates and rainbow sprinkles that goes with the Halloween theme. You can use your own decorating ideas or just leave it alone with the frosting. Either way, the cake will be superb with the frosting. Here we go, guys, our fluffy, moist, eggless pumpkin cake. Now the ladybugs are going to taste it and let's see what they tell us. Yeah, it's tasty. Waha! So guys, do try this and let us know in the comments below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple recipes, and see you in our next tasty video.